Idabi liyaqhuba lomba wokususwa komcimbi we-Analog kuya kwi-digital. Umphathiswa wezonxibelelwano uceba kwabana arhoxise inkxaso yezimali kumzi wosasazo i-SABC. Kuthi kaloku i-SABC bonakala ngathi yathithiza ukuqhuba nale nkqubo funeka yenziwe ngokukhawuleza.
We live in hope that the Minister of Communications is capable enough to engage with the management of the SABC, seeing that you are an SOE that falls under that ministry.
We have called and pushed in the portfolio committee that we need to engage with the SABC in order to hear its side of the story.
Also deeply concerned that the communications minister intends stopping financial support to the SABC. This support is needed to implement its turnaround strategy.
The ATM firstly believes that the minister must not interfere with the operations of the SABC.
It's the unprofessional behavior of the Minister of Communications. It is totally unacceptable that the minister must threaten the SABC.
Mahlanu ke amaphondo ngaphandle kweGauteng, iKwaZulu-Natal, iMpuma Kapa, iNtshona Kapa athe aza ngaphambili eqhuba nokutshintsha ukuya kwi-digital. Ndingabongile Dumako kwindaba ze-SABC eGauteng.